Our new bed has just arrived and we're going to build it. Hello, it is I, the founder of Christmas. I wish. So hello my angel pies and welcome to week 3 in Vlogmas this year. Okay, so firstly, how are you all? I'm very good. It is a week till Christmas Eve. Sob sob. And I'm very excited though. I am in a really good mood. I'm going to vlog this week because I have a really exciting week coming up. Tomorrow we are going into London, aka Christmas Town, and we're going to see the Nutcracker Ballet, and I'm going with my boyfriend, and I'm very excited because I feel like it will be just so Christmassy and wonderful, and we just can't wait. So obviously I'll take you guys with me. Today is actually later in the day, so earlier I went to see my dad in hospital, and guys, he can possibly come home tomorrow. How exciting is that? Honestly, it's so exciting. So honestly, at one stage we didn't think he'd be coming home, so the fact he is very exciting because he's coming around mine on Christmas Day, and me and my boyfriend are going to be cooking him dinner, and he wouldn't want to miss out on basically the best cooked Christmas lunch in his life. Anyway, so it's week 3. Hello, where is the time going? It's like almost next Christmas. It's so late in the year, if that makes sense. I have just got my hair blow dried, so it feels really nice and soft. I always go and get a treatment put on every now and then, and it feels really nice, so I'm really happy with it. And now, after a long time in the hairdressers, I need to get my butt in the bath because I have a Lush bath bomb that needs using, lots of bubbles, and a book to read. So I'm actually going to sit in the bath and just read a book instead of aimlessly scroll on Twitter. And then I'm going to come out, I'm going to do a little bit of work, and then make some dinner and go to bed, have an early night. I need to learn how to switch off. It's like something I can't do, and I feel like in 2019 I need to read a lot more. So you guys need to hold me to that, like you really do. We have a very exciting package. If we can open it.
Honestly. Oh, there we go. Ready?
Ready.
Oh wait. Oh, another one.
Oh, another one.
Oh.
Oh, how exciting. This has come all the way from Devon?
Cornwall.
Cornwall.
Yeah.
Ah, we're putting it around the tree now.
Careful. Don't break it. I know you're excited.
The train's up. Do you like it, Ditzy? Hey? I think my cat likes it very much. Oh. Hello everybody, welcome back. Well, you haven't gone anywhere. I have. It's been a couple of days. I've had a really busy couple of days. Sorry, I'm just trying to do a million things at once. But it's Friday the 21st now. At the weekend we're doing our huge Christmas food shop, which I can't wait for, but I think that's going to be an individual video because lots of you guys want to know what we're getting. And I'm just in some comfy clothes because our new bed has just arrived and we're going to build it tonight. So my boyfriend finishes work tonight for the Christmas holidays. How very exciting. So we're in like a proper Christmas mood. Our new bed arrived today, so we're going to build that today. Well, tonight. Don't know what we're doing about dinner. That's going to be interesting, trying to build a bed with no dinner in the house. We might have to get a takeaway. I don't really fancy one though, not gonna lie. But yeah, we're gonna build our bed. We got our bed from Arista Living and it's so nice. But first we have to run to the post office to collect a present, I think, I hope, fingers crossed. And then we're coming back and getting our flat pack on. It's kind of flat pack, but it's not. We have to build it ourselves, but it's not. I suppose it is flat pack, but it's not like an IKEA bed. It's a nice bed. Promise. So goodbye sleeping on a mattress on the floor. Next time you see this setup, it will be a big bed. This is actually a double. We're getting a king size. The mattress hasn't come yet, so we're gonna have to put this mattress on the current bed frame, but you know, who cares? And then there, at the bottom of the stairs, are all the boxes. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. What's going on? Hey? You're watching? Mm. Oh. Almost done. To be honest, well done to Lawrence who done 95%. I did do some. I did these bits.
Did all of them.
And I held stuff in place.
Held stuff in place.
Yeah.
And I've got raw hands.
Oh, looking glam as always. So it's actually the next day now after we built the bed. The bed looks so good. Obviously we still need a mattress because this mattress doesn't fit, but you can't really notice it when you're sleeping on it, so it's fine. We're going to order the mattress and it won't come till after Christmas, but that's fine. We're glad of the bed. It's looking a bit messy at the moment because I'm actually organising the bedroom. Don't know about you, but at Christmas I like to have a fully organised house. So we're organising the house at the moment. My boyfriend's actually downstairs wrapping presents. I'm not allowed downstairs. Who can tell me what that means? But I'm actually feeling so festive. I'll show you kind of my little setup right now. So here's the bed, by the way. Please ignore the fact that it's quite messy. All of this stuff I'm just sorting at the moment. I've just finished editing a video. But the bed itself is lovely. It doesn't come with a free cat, unfortunately. This one's mine. Yeah, you're such a lolly girl. So we went for the grey, I forgot what that's called, the headboard, but it's really nice. We also have 4 drawers underneath, which I'm currently organising. I'm keeping my big jumpers, like cozy knitwear, in this drawer, and then all of my PJs are going to be in this drawer, and like more loungewear type things. By the way, ignore my nails, I'm getting them done tomorrow. So these 2 are my drawers, and then coming around here, my boyfriend has some drawers also underneath. I won't show you what's inside in case he doesn't want me to. But yeah, so that's the bed. I just think it is really beautiful, really nice. It's going to look really nice in the new house when I eventually sell this house, because I want white walls and then just fairy lights hanging down, and then I want to get these colourful pom-poms that you can put like anywhere, but these like colourful pom-poms that I want to drape along here. I just think that will look really nice. So yeah, this is my setup, just exporting the video. What does it say? Oh, disk not ejected properly. Story of my life. We have my other cat just sitting on his perch. What are you doing, Bubs? Hey, you chilling? You chilling? And I have a tub of Quality Street, which I am picking at whilst I drink my cup of tea. My boyfriend just made me a cup of tea, which is very nice of him, very grateful, but must admit he didn't put it in a Festive mug. And I'm just tempted to go and pour this tea into a Festive mug for the sake of it. I also have one of my favourite Christmas movies on the TV. I haven't actually watched this so far this year because I like to save it till close to Christmas, and it's The Muppets Christmas Carol, and it's a little bit cold outside and a bit grey, and also I have this annoying rash that is appearing on my neck. It's really annoying. What is that? It's really itchy. Don't know if it's the necklace. So yeah, I'm watching Muppets Christmas Carol as well. Oh, the camera's gone a bit wild because of the TV.
I've been out walking. I don't do too much talking these days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do. And all the time I had the chance to. Now I've stopped my rambling